everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to set Samsung keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy. So to do that, let's head over to our settings option. And once you are there, go to the search icon and search for keyboard, Samsung keyboard. And once you are there, you will find several options in the list and scroll down until you find the option of theme. Under style and layout, go to theme. And here you will find different themes for your Samsung keyboard. Like if you give solid dark, it will be like this. If you give light, it will be like this. And for dark and solid dark, it's like this. So yeah, I'm currently giving dark. And yeah, go back and your theme is set. You can change your theme anytime on your settings by going to Samsung keyboard options. So yeah, this is how you can just set your Samsung keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy. Hope this video helps you out and we will see you in the next one.